G'day yoga lovers, it's Mike. We're going to do Waterfall. This is a classic full body, back of body stretch and a very relaxing stretch. It also rinses out the brain. So what you want to do is come to a standing position. The outsides of your feet are parallel and maybe hip width apart. The easy way to go in is to slide the hands down the knees and squatting down. The fingers are facing the insides. And then I'm going to slowly drape my belly between my thighs. And while I'm here, I'm going to shift my hips forward so that I become toe heavy. It's natural to be heel heavy. We want to become toe heavy. And with every few exhales, I'm going to slide my hands down, gorilla arms. You can take your time getting here and then fold the baby fingers inside the opposite elbow crease. Once they're there, I'm going to relax my head, chin to chest, become toe heavy again. We don't need locked or straight legs. A slight bend is fine, it's safe. And every exhale, we're letting the body fall. Letting the shoulder blades slide down towards the mat. Just gently nodding our head yes and no to check that we're not secretly holding on. And every exhale, every few exhales, just straightening the legs. Just a little bit more. Keeping the weight in the toes, they're the only things that are working in this pose. And then lengthening through the armpits so the elbows fall closer and closer towards the mat. So what's happening here is that we're letting the whole back of body release from the heels through the back of the legs, through the lower back, upper back, armpits, neck. Everything's completely relaxed and the brain has been rinsed out with all that beautiful fresh blood. Forward folds are cooling and calming, so this is a great way to take heat out of the body and distress. Now, if you need a break, you can bring your elbows on top of your knees, just above the knees on the thighs and sitting down a little. And then go back in, straightening the legs, releasing the elbows from above the knees, forward fold. And to come out, rest your elbows on your thighs just above the knees and squatting down just a little. The hips don't go lower than the knees, just regulating the blood in the body. Lifting your head just slightly and flattening your back. And then slide your elbows, forearms out wide, and then come rolling up one vertebrae at a time. Come to standing. Looking up and then down. And that was Waterfall. Thanks, guys. Namaste.